Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To set an image as the background of your web page, you want to use the background-image property. You can use this property to set the background of your whole page by styling the body tag, or you can use it in any element you'd like to have an image as the background in, like a table, div, or paragraph. When using an image as a background, the default setting is for the image to repeat itself to fill the available space. You can specify how you would like the image to repeat or to not repeat at all by using the background-repeat property with the values repeat-x to repeat the image only horizontally, repeat-y to repeat the image only vertically, or no-repeat to have a single image. It is important to select an image that does not compete with the text or other elements of your web page. Using a complex image may result in difficulties when users are trying to view your web page. The on-screen example shows the body selector, background-image, followed by the colon, the term URL, the location of the image you'd want to use in parentheses, the background-repeat property with the value of no-repeat, and then we have the div selector with a height set to 20% and a width set to 50%, and using the same background-image and the same background repeat set to no repeat will cause your web browser to display the single image, and then we have the div element with the same image in the background. And as you can see, it's kind of hard to read the text because it's a busy image.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.